Imagine building a full website without writing a single line of code and without getting stuck in endless AI reprompts that never quite give you what you want. Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm diving into PinSpec AI, a new AI tool that promises to completely change the way we design and build interfaces. Stick around because what you're about to see might just save you hours of frustration. Welcome back to AI LedgerX, your hub for the latest AI tools, tech, and trends that are reshaping the future of work and creativity. Here's the thing. Most AI website builders work on a chat-based system. You type in a long prompt, the AI spits out something close to what you want, but then the real pain begins. You have to reprompt, tweak, and hope it remembers the context. One wrong move, and your design resets. Frustrating, right? That's where PinSpec AI comes in. Instead of relying on chat prompts alone, it introduces something unique, pinnable specs. Think of them like sticky notes for each component on your website. Want to change a button color? Pin the spec. Need to rearrange sections? Pin the spec. Update once, and it instantly reflects on your site. No more losing context, no more starting over. Select a component, pin a spec, say what to change, and let AI do the magic. Every spec is visual, version-controlled, and editable. Track changes and manage requirements with full context. No more back-and-forth chat. Change a word, change the UI. Here's how it works. Instead of typing everything into a chat, you literally click on a component, and PinSpec attaches a visual spec to it. From there, you can edit the text, change the design, or even drop in assets like images, audio, PDFs, or even 3D models. The crazy part? Each change is saved as an editable spec, so you can always come back, tweak it, or hand it off to a teammate. This makes editing incredibly precise. No more AI guesswork, because every change is tied to one component only. On top of that, all your specs are version controlled, so you can roll back if needed. To get started with PinSpec, head over to PinSpec AI and click on the button that says Get for Free. From there, you'll be asked to sign up. The easiest way is to use your Google account. Once you connect, the platform will ask you a few quick questions to set things up, like what kind of project you're interested in building. After completing that short setup, you'll land on the PinSpec dashboard. Here you'll see a clean interface with a simple question right in the center. What do you want to build? You can type in your idea directly. PinSpec also gives you some ready-to-use examples right below, so you can jump straight into a project if you want. First, let's start by selecting the Pet Care Log example template. This template is designed for tracking important pet activities like feeding, walking, grooming, and vet visits. You simply gave the instruction: create a pet care log, where each entry includes the pet's name, type of activity, date, time, and notes. The system then began preparing the app structure for you. Next, it analyzed the project setup. It checked what dependencies were already installed, like date handling, calendar tools, and form libraries. Since everything it needed was available, it started generating the main components and storage logic for the app. This included a petcare.ts file for the activity types and a usepetcarestorage.ts file for handling how the data gets stored in local storage. Then the app was enhanced with several technical features. These included TypeScript for safety, React Hook Form for managing input, date libraries for handling the calendar, Shadson UI for design consistency, and local storage for saving your data. It also added things like toast notifications, responsive design, and debugging tools, making the app much more polished. It also supports all kinds of assets, not just images and text, but videos, 3D models, and even PDFs that become interactive. And when it comes to speed, you can move, resize, or redesign components in seconds without constantly reprompting the AI. Compared to tools like Framer or Builder.io, PinSpec feels less like prompt and pray and more like hands-on product surgery, in the best way possible. It gives designers and developers the control and flexibility they need without killing creativity.
Once the app was ready, I switched over to Spec Mode. This is where PinSpec shines. Instead of staring at raw code, you get a clean visual blueprint of your app. Each section is pinned, the filters, the calendar, the daily entries panel, so you can instantly see how it all connects. It's like having an X-ray view of your app structure. In just a few clicks, I had a fully functional pet care log app. The design? Clean and modern. The data? Saved automatically. And the best part? If I want to upgrade later with a database or cloud storage, I don't have to rebuild anything. It's all extendable. Behind the scenes, PinSpec checks everything it needs. Date tools, form libraries, UI components, and then it starts generating real working code. It created the activity types, the storage system, and even hooked up local storage so the data doesn't disappear when you refresh. Honestly, this part blew me away because it wasn't just spitting out code. It was actually organizing the project in a developer-friendly way. So is PinSpec AI the future of UI design? Honestly, it looks like a game changer, especially if you're tired of AI tools that overpromise and underdeliver. I'll be keeping a close eye on how it evolves, and if you want me to do a full build tutorial step by step, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI LedgerX, and share this with someone who's still struggling with traditional website builders. Trust me, they'll thank you later. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.